salt air is filling up my lungs, a peace that stills my restless soul. Your love's the horizon line, a promise in the ocean's rhyme. My foundation's strong and deep, the faith my heart will always keep. Golden light spills on the tide, a quiet peace I hold inside. Every wave that meets the sand is held right here within your hand. My soul finds rest here on this shoreline, a love so deep and pure divine. I know that you are mine, you are mine. Your vastness breaks upon the sand with gentle power in your hand. The salt air hums a sacred tune beneath the golden afternoon. Your love is wide as the horizon line, a constant grace, a holy sign. You pull the tide and heal my soul. You pull the tide and make me whole. Comes in a quiet hymn. Your peace rushes over my soul again. Your glory's in this ocean roar, a love that's calm and crashing on the shore. And I am small in all you've made. I'm home within this everlasting grace. Home in your grace. The steady current pulls me on towards the painted light of dawn. No need to fight the ocean's sway. You're the anchor for my soul. Your love will make me whole. I'm trusting in this tide with nothing left to hide. I'm trusting in this tide. In this tide. Let the currents pull me out to sea, 'cause I know your grace surrounds me. More than the sand, more than the tide. In your ocean love I can safely ride. No fear in the waves that crash and roll, 'cause your steady hand holds my soul. Your love a safe harbor for my soul. Ooh.